Hi and welcome back. If you caught my last episodes, we talked about how to grow microgreens and 5 reasons why to grow microgreens. So this episode, I am going to be discussing what should I be growing. So today I wanted to show you a few of my favorites to grow, but truthfully, anything that you can sprout, you can grow. Today I've just started a new batch of microgreens, and my personal favorite is broccoli. The taste is really good and nutrition. It's packed with nutrition. If you want to get your kids started on eating the greens, these dwarf sweet peas are a really good option for them. And also, this is a fun option, sunflower seeds. So those are the 3 that I prefer. But if you're unsure and you want to experiment, a lot of the places where they sell seeds will sell some blends. Like for example, this one is a spring salad mix. And in the spring salad mix, it says a blend of broccoli, radish, alfalfa, and clover. So that would be really good to add to your salads. We also have another one here called a sandwich booster, and the sandwich booster contains red clover, alfalfa, radish, and mustard. So that one I really do like to put in my wraps and my sandwiches. This one, for example, says it's a brilliant blend, and the brilliant blend contains green and burgundy microgreens, lentils, radish, peas, and it's all organic. So there's a ton. You can just experiment with it. You don't have to do the traditional, which years ago they used to promote wheatgrass. And for anybody who's tried wheatgrass, it's very hard to get down. It's not tasty in my opinion. You can also grow chia pets, which is the chia seed right here, this nice fluffy hair that this has got going on. So you can grow anything that sprouts into microgreens. Thanks very much for watching, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite ones are to grow.